Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the Crypto Pirates. It's been quite a while since the last time we were in this program, so I thought I'd do a super quick update showing you how our account is getting on. I've also got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are at the Faucet Gamers website, and one of the first things that you want to take note of if you have never checked out this program before is the fact here that you can earn 7 different cryptos as well as gift cards. There is no deposit required, no gambling is on the site, therefore no risk. So basically it is a absolutely free program where you can earn free crypto for just doing regular stuff, PTC ads, short links, playing mini video games, all that kind of stuff. It's a really fun site, and I think you guys should check it out, especially if you are big fans of Larval Faucet and you've never looked at this program before. You really need to check it out. Okay, so let's log in and see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are in my account. And obviously there's lots of different aspects to the program. If you just highlight here where it says earn, you've got offer walls, you've got videos, you've got the challenge PFTs, which you can check that out. It gives you a pretty good detailed idea of what you need to do. It's essentially just completing tasks. Obviously you can get referrals by promoting us, and then you've got promo codes. Now the promo codes are not for your referrals, they're for you, which Faucet Gamers put out every now and again. You can come in here, you can type them in, and then you will get various bonuses. A lot of times it's basically a higher percentages on your offer walls and things like that. So, you know, and they're putting them out quite regularly. Also as well, if you use things like Hideout TV and Loot TV, which I personally use to sort of keep my account on track and building, they also put those promo codes out for you to pick up and then just put into your Hideout TV every time you go and use it. Normally there's a promo code out really regularly, and then you can just add that into your Hideout TV and you can pick up something like an extra 25 points or something on your Hideout TV every day. So it does build up and it's well worth it. And for those of you that are not a member of our Discord channel yet, if you go into our Discord, link can be found in the description of this video and can be found in the description of many of my videos, if not all of them now. Basically, if we drop into our Discord, this is our Discord. Obviously there's categories for pretty much all of the games and that we use. There are a few that I've not quite added yet, but anyway, here is Crypto Pirates. You come down to see where it says CP promo codes, click on that, and you've just got page after page after page of promo codes. So these ones here, where it doesn't give it, because this one says it's a Hideout promo, so you know that's for Hideout TV. The ones that don't normally have anything next to them are usually for the website. So that's a Faucet, again, that's a Faucet Gamers one. So that was on it was in April. So if we scroll down, so again, Hideout TV, Cointeply, they also give promo codes out for. So I know Winnie won on our Discord. She's a big fan of Cointeply. I don't know if you've seen these, Winnie, but we do get promo codes put in this section for Cointeply. So obviously that'll help you out. More Hideout TV, more Hideout TV, another Cointeply, Hideout TV. We get these codes posted on our Discord all the time. So like I say, you know, if you get into using Crypto Pirates, get yourself to our Discord and you're going to be earning yourself extra points, whether it be on Hideout TV, whether it actually be in the Crypto Pirates website, or even things like Cointeply. And we do have other promo codes now and again posted as well. So like I say, if you're not already on our Discord, come on over and join in. Lots of chats going on for various different programs as well. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Crypto Pirates, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to an earlier video, and that's going to give you a lot more information and a better idea of what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning yourself some of those free coins. If you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So basically, I know I've said this often in various videos. It really is very, very similar to Larval Faucet. Obviously, with Larval Faucet, they have their mining game where you basically get miners you purchase miners, build them up to whatever level, and they will earn for you. And gradually their health and energy will run down, and then you have to keep replenishing that. And basically it works the same, except instead of buying miners, you're buying pirate ships. So if we go into where it says here and then go to the Pirates game. Now, you guys will always know that with Larval Faucet, I have basically put out there that there is a certain miner which I feel is the best miner to get, and it's not the top miner, it's not the top miner at all, but I feel that on paper, and I worked this out years ago, on paper it is the best. You basically, for how much effort you put in, working out on how many coins you get back and all that kind of stuff, for me the RTX 2080 is the best mining miner to get on Larval Faucet, and only take it up to level 6. Now that's a hint and a bit of a tip for you guys using Larval Faucet, and the same goes for this program, except instead of being a miner, basically I choose to get the bar Ks. Funnily enough, the cost of a bar K is exactly the same price as the cost of an RTX 2080, which is 50,000. But with these, you take these right the way to the top. You take these to level 10, and then basically it gives you days, and that's what I like about this. I think this is actually better than Larval Faucet, because the thing is with Larval Faucet is you have a health bar, and every time you make a withdrawal, a small percentage of that health bar is removed. Whereas with this game, it works on days. So if you make a withdrawal, well, they can't remove a day or 2 days or 3 days from your ship, because that just makes no sense. So basically, you're getting a little bit more bang for your buck with Crypto Pirates, and which I think is really great. And anyway, basically, this is my setup, which is 8 bar Ks. But I do say, if you're going to go this way, or if whatever ship you're going to go, always make sure you give a few days between each one, at least about 5 days. 7 days would be better, a week. Okay, so the reason for the gaps is basically if one of your ships runs down to the last day, because never leave it to get to 0. If you leave it to get to 0, your ship will disappear. So when it says 1 day, that's when you want to click rebuild. And when that needs rebuilding, once you've paid out your 98,000 if you rebuild, 100,000 if you go from scratch, basically once you've shelled out your 100,000, you then have 5 to 7 days gap before you might need, before you might need to rebuild the next ship. That's the point of the gap. So basically, you're not shelling out you're not trying to rebuild 3 ships all in 1 day kind of thing. So always put a gap between your ships, because then it just spreads out when it's required for you to rebuild your ships. That's basically the point of it. So anyway, you can see that we've got, this one's at 38 days, that's got 5 days, that's got 8 days, which is unfortunate because it's only a 3-day gap. You got 13 days on that one, 24 days on that one, 42 days on that one, 48 days on that one, so that's 5 days gap, and then you've got a 19-day there. So between those two, that is 5 days, 6 days, should I say? So that's what I try and do, that gap. Obviously, with these ones, they've ended up a bit close, only a 3-day gap, but you should always try and have a gap. And obviously at the top here, you can see we've got 22,000 GTs, game tokens, and that's what you'll use to rebuild your ships. And we have 830 gold coins, which is what I withdraw. Some people withdraw game tokens and basically exchange game tokens for crypto. That is actually not the way to do it, and you're actually losing out by doing it that way. Your better way is you use game tokens purely for rebuilding your ships. When you want to make a withdrawal, you go into here, into sailing. And then where it says captain's orders, you switch this from the bonus MP bonus mode, and you switch that to what I've just done. I didn't actually mean to do it. You switch that to gold coin payout mode. Now the thing is I can't actually switch that back for 24 hours, so I've got to have to switch that back tomorrow. But that's what you want to do. So when you want to withdraw, you click on this button when it's in NP mode. Let it be in gold coin mode for however long you want to allow as much gold coins that you want to withdraw to build up, and then simply click that again and then put that back into NP or game token mode. That's what. But the reason why you lose out, and which is I can show you now because obviously I've accidentally clicked that button, is in game token mode. You'll have this here, this 16,000, but it will say instead of GCs, it will say GTs. Yeah, it will say 16,000 GTs. But in gold coin mode, you also get this, which is an extra 1,600 gold coins as a bonus, daily bonus. But you don't get that in game token mode. So if you're building up game tokens, then exchanging them to then make a withdrawal and never ever going into this gold coin mode, you're losing out on that 1,600 every day you're in gold coin mode while building up your gold coins. So you're losing out on an extra 1,600 gold coins every single day. That's basically what I'm trying to get at. And obviously you're withdrawing your game tokens, whereas if I leave that mode on, my game tokens will always stay the same. So you build up gold coins, but then when you come back, when you switch back to your game token NP mode, you've still got 23,000 game tokens sitting there ready to rebuild your next ships. Whereas obviously if you cash out your game tokens, you're then struggling to rebuild that, build up those game tokens again before you have to rebuild your next ship. So that's what I'm saying. It's you always use that switch modes when you want to make a withdrawal. Otherwise, you're just making hard work for yourself for one, and you're also losing out on coins you should actually be earning to withdraw. So that's pretty much how the game works. And if we go into withdrawal here, no, it would be payment history. And basically, so you can see we made a withdrawal here for 233,000, which gave us 77,855, which is a bit low actually. Normally I would withdraw, I think the last time I made a withdrawal here was 251,000, and that gave us 148,975. But obviously at the time I made that withdrawal, Bitcoin was at $30,000, so therefore you sort of get less you get less coins, you get less BTC because it's at a higher price. So obviously that is worth probably the same as what that was worth, but I get less coins because of the higher price. So anyway, if we dive into Faucet Pay. Okay, so here we are in my Faucet Pay account, and if we scroll down, here we are, Faucet Gamers, 12th of April, and 77,855 BTC, which if we look here, that is the same as that. So yeah, so obviously, as always, I always say if the program is paying, then it is working. And as you can see, they are paying, and I make a withdrawal about this size every month. Normally, like I say, it's normally over about 100 or so thousand satoshis, like you saw with that other one, which was nearly 150,000. That's what it equated to. That's sort of the size that I make, and I make one of those every month from Faucet Gamers without fail. And that comes to about $20, $25, $30 every month out of that game. With no real it's not massively time consuming. You just got to do a few bits here and there. Obviously, if you can use Hideout TV, Loot TV, it does make your life a lot easier. That's personally what I use a lot of to build up my account. And obviously, if you haven't got an account yet, I will put a link to both of those programs in the description if you want to use my link. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.